In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Asana to Slack in 2025 with a full tutorial. By connecting these two powerful platforms, you can streamline your workflow and have your tasks and communications seamlessly integrated, making your daily operations smooth and efficient. So let's dive right into the process. First, you need to open your browser and head over to Slack's website. This is where all our integration work will begin, so make sure you have your login credentials handy. Once you're on Slack's homepage, look for the Launch Slack button. This will take you to the main interface, where you manage your channels and conversations. Now that you're in Slack, you will see an option to use Slack in your browser. Click on that, and this will open up Slack in your web interface, allowing you easy access without needing any additional software downloads. This browser-based option is incredibly convenient for swiftly making changes. Once you're in the web app, it's time to explore the side menu. Look for the option labeled More on the left-hand side of your screen. Clicking on More expands a list of options available to you. In this dropdown, you'll find Tools, which is the gateway to connecting different applications and enhancing your Slack experience with powerful integrations. Click on Tools, and once that screen loads, explore further by clicking on All Connectors. Slack provides you with the ability to link a variety of services to keep your workflow organized and seamless. Scrolling through this section, you will see a host of applications that can be directly integrated with Slack. Now, we are getting closer. In the Connectors menu, locate and click on Asana. Asana is a top-rated project management tool that many teams use to track and manage tasks swiftly and efficiently. By integrating it with Slack, information flows seamlessly, keeping everyone in the loop. Once you have clicked on Asana, you will be prompted to authorize Slack to connect with your Asana account. Follow these steps cautiously and, when prompted, enter the necessary details, ensuring your accounts are linked securely. At this stage, you've allowed communication between both platforms, facilitating automatic updates and notifications from your Asana tasks directly into Slack channels. By following these steps, you've successfully linked Asana with Slack, empowering your team to access real-time updates on projects and collaborate more effectively. With this integration, you eliminate the friction of switching back and forth between apps and keep your team focused on what matters most, completing tasks successfully and efficiently. Implementing this connection paves the way to a more structured and streamlined way of working. So there you have it, a complete tutorial on how to connect Asana to Slack. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it enhances your productivity. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more valuable content like this. Thank you for watching, and have a productive day.